Have you ever asked an AI to write a complex piece of code, only to watch it try to do everything at once? Usually, it throws a wall of text at you, gets confused, and ends up creating a giant mess of errors. You can think of these AI models like talented, eager chefs. They know how to chop and sauté, but right now, we're letting them run wild in the kitchen without a recipe or any real sense of order. When you give an AI a huge, complicated task, it starts to lose track of what it was supposed to do. It wanders off topic and begins guessing at how the pieces should fit together. To fix this, we're looking at a project by Addy Osmani called Agent Skills. It's essentially a professional management system for your AI coding assistant. Instead of letting the AI wing it, this system provides a master blueprint. It forces the AI to stop guessing and start following a disciplined, professional assembly line. Without this kind of structure, developers often spend more time fixing AI-generated mistakes than they do actually finishing their projects. To get better results, we have to move the AI away from that messy kitchen and onto a highly organized factory floor. This 6-step path starts with your idea, then creates a formal spec, detailed instructions. The line then moves to build for coding, followed immediately by test. Finally, work moves through QA to ensure perfection before reaching Go Live. This final check ensures the code meets a high standard before you ever try to use it in the real world. This pipeline makes the AI's work visible and predictable. Because the process is divided into these mandatory steps, the AI follows a clear path rather than jumping to conclusions. You don't need to write long paragraphs to guide this process. You control the AI using simple one-word triggers called slash commands. Typing /spec locks the AI into the planning phase. Other workstations remain locked. Approving the plan and typing /build moves the AI into a dedicated coding space. Finally, typing /test forces the AI to inspect its work with a digital magnifying glass. These commands act like a safety leash. They turn an unpredictable AI into a focused assistant that completes exactly one task at a time. Let's get this framework running on your computer. It's a simple process that sets up these rules directly inside your favorite code editor. We'll use the most reliable method, the local setup. It doesn't require any special technical background to get right. First, you download a file called SKILL.md from the project's page on GitHub. Then, you drop that file into a specific folder in your editor called .cursor/rules. As soon as it's there, your AI assistant will begin following the instructions. You might also see an option to install this through a plugin marketplace, but some users run into a connection error when they try that. If you hit an error, it's usually a secure connection issue. To bypass it, simply use the full web link, the long address starting with HTTPS, instead of the shorter automated link. This acts like a standard path that any computer can follow easily. For creators and coders who use AI every day, this framework provides the structure needed to turn an unpredictable tool into a reliable partner. By taking 5 minutes to install these rules, you stop letting the AI guess and start setting a professional standard for your work. Check the link in the description to get started.